In this video, we're going to take a look at crop rotation in vegetable gardens, why it's often a headache for gardeners, and an easy way to master it. So what is crop rotation? The vegetables we grow can be grouped into several plant families which have similar characteristics and often suffer from the same pests or diseases. Crop rotation is where we grow vegetables from each major plant family in different areas each year. Why do we do this? Firstly, because several problematic pests and diseases can build up in the soil if the plants they affect are grown in the same area each year. For example, nematodes such as eelworm can devastate potato crops grown in the same place year after year, but they also affect other vegetables in the same crop family, such as tomatoes. Onion rot is a serious fungal disease that can persist when crops from the allium group are continuously grown. Cabbage root maggots affect all brassica crops. Fusarium root rot can wreck pea and bean harvests. These are just a few of the many different soil-borne pests and diseases, and crop rotation is almost universally recommended to prevent them all. Secondly, different vegetables take different balances of nutrients from the soil, and their roots access different levels of the soil structure. Cabbage family plants like a lot of nitrogen. Tomatoes need plenty of calcium. Beets and beans require manganese, and so on. Many salad crops are shallow-rooted, but other vegetables like potatoes and sweet corn have roots that extend deep into the soil to bring up nutrients from those layers. Because of this, growing the same vegetable in the same place year after year can lead to nutrient deficiency and poor growth. Thirdly, some plants like potatoes act as a good clearing crop. That is, their dense foliage helps to suppress weed growth, and when they're dug up, birds can eat pests in the soil such as slugs and wireworm. Squash or leafy greens can also be used to suppress weed growth before growing a crop like onions or carrots, which are highly susceptible to competition from weeds. So, for all these reasons, it's clear that crop rotation is an essential part of growing annual vegetables well. However, just knowing that we should rotate crops doesn't make it easy to organise. After a few seasons, crop rotation can become very complex, even in relatively small gardens. The problem is that not only do you need to remember where each type of vegetable was planted in the past, but you also have to be able to correctly identify which plant family they belong to.